Okay guys, this is it. This is my room fully packed up. Oh, this is my empty room, my desk where I worked so much to end up where I'm going. We are in the middle of a heat wave, that's why fan number 1, 2, and there's one here. And yeah, and then here is the futon. This is all my stuff that I'm carrying. I'm carrying all of this, and I'm not gonna show you guys my face because I look like shit because I've been crying. This was my second room. I had a very nice patio that I could sit out and like watch stuff, have coffee in the summer, which I did now. And then this is the rest of the room. This is like literally everything I'm disposing. An extra rack. Oh my god, what noise. And a walk-in closet here, which is pretty much empty. Okay guys, so I really don't know how I'm going to edit this video, but I do want to show bits and pieces and like think about putting it together. You probably would have seen my empty room tour, which means I have moved out of that place and that apartment and into a new place, which is like even. Okay, first of all, you guys don't know where I moved to. I moved to Chicago, guys. I got a job in Chicago and I'll be starting in a week or so. I look ratchet because I just had a 13-hour train journey and lugged about 4 suitcases to my apartment, and I'm slowly setting up things. I still have so much to do, but let me just show you a quick little empty apartment tour. And then once I've set up, which is going to take a really, really long time, I'm going to show you my entire house. But this is my empty apartment tour. Yay! Okay guys, I'm literally at the entrance of my door. On my left is a beautiful walk-in closet. It's like really, really, really spacious. I can actually fit an iron board here, and I'm sort of starting to unpack. And on my right side is the bathroom. And this is pretty spacious too. This is me. It's a pretty spacious bathroom, and yeah, that's all you need to know. And as you move further, kitchen, I have some stuff there, and just I'm setting up this Brita and like just some like stuff. I'm setting up everything. Those are all my Amazon packages. And then as you move further, I put this together all by myself. This is my Amazon basics grocery cart to take around. And then I have a nice island counter here. Then this is my entire space. I spent like an hour. I had to get some number done or whatever for the apartment, so I went, and then there was a Target nearby and I got all this. I am not a plastic bag. I don't encourage this. This is like really bad on my behalf, but I forgot to take my grocery cart, and these are all not groceries. They wouldn't have fit anyway, so I would have had to get it, but I'm going to reuse these bags. I have more packages. I'm going to get all of them and I'll show you to you guys right now. There's a lot. I'm here unboxing all this, and then I have to go take a shower. It's like, okay, this is still in EST. I am on CST and it's like 7:30, and I still haven't taken a shower because we've just been running around all day doing important stuff for the house. So I really look like a homeless person. I'm gonna wash my hair right now. It's been such a long, not a long day, but such a busy day. It's at a very weird angle. Hey guys, welcome to a very echoey portion of the video with really bad angle, and I look like I haven't slept in 3 days, which I actually haven't. I am so tired. I left one. I don't know why my eye here is like literally peeling off. Like, what the heck? Okay, let me show you all the things I have like here. I bought a lamp from Target for like $12. This is heavy. You have to set this up because the light that you see, that one, the hallway light, and that light, those are the only 2 lights in the house. And guys, I literally don't have anything. Like, I don't have cutlery, I don't have like enough utensils.
I don't have groceries, I don't have anything. I am literally buying like everything from scratch. I got these two cute like glasses. I can drink like cold coffee out of this, water, literally got this for water. Like all these are Target stuff which is like super inexpensive. I think like $1 or 50 cents chapel for the house because I left like mine was pretty old and I left and I don't have a vacuum cleaner and things are already getting dirty. So shower liner, I got a ladle and this was for 50 cents. And I got these like really like thick jacket hampers and I got like two of these bowls, but I'm gonna get more bowls and more plates from Target. The Target that I went to was shit and the only reason I went there because I had to do some other house related like documentation related stuff, so I just walked over to the nearest Target. This was like 50 cents. So I got this power lock suction toothbrush cup holder. I used to use recycled yogurt boxes to keep all my stuff, but now I'm like, I think I'm gonna need an upgrade. Sorry if you guys hear the echo, it's because the whole house is unfurnished, guys. I don't want spoons that are like 10 pack and 12 pack, that's waste. That's not waste. So I found these. I think this was like $1 or 50 cents. Definitely not more than that. So I got these 3 pieces of spoons, 3 pieces of butter knife. I also got forks. I also got a lighter because I know I'm gonna get candles and like make this house smell really nice. I smelled a lot of candles at Target, but none of them were like really good. I didn't like it also. Target has good candles, but the Target I went to did not have good enough candles. So I got this anyway because I know I will be using it. I put it on my freezer, which was $8. And then I also got a nail clipper because I threw away my nail clipper. Last thing is I got this on sale. It's basically a memory foam bath rug. You put this outside your tub. Guys, I'm just surviving on half a cup of coffee, which is so unlike me. But half a cup. Oh my god, I know why. Look at that keeps peeling. It's been happening for such a long time. Oh my god, I've been putting every effort in it, but just ignore that, you guys. So this one has like comforter, like pillow set. So basically everything you need for a bed to cover the bed is there except the bed and the bed frame itself, which is hilarious. So I'm not going to open this on camera because I don't see the point in showing that, but I will show you guys like that one bag from Trader Joe's. I don't know what is happening to my skin. So there was a week in Syracuse where it was like 35 degrees one day, 17, then 21, 24 the next, and then drastic. Since then I've had such like major cracks on my face. I'm just putting like so many ointments and stuff, like all these La Roche-Posay, CeraVe and all of that. I'm like, oh my god, nothing is working out. So I got also these S shower hook curtain, so basically shower hooks. So I have to just put this is in the shape of an S. Dude, like in my old house, my landlady had done all of these. I literally moved into a house that was fully furnished. It had the bed frame, mattress, utensils, like everything. So I never had the necessity to buy any of this. So now that like I have to buy it, I'm just like, oh my god, like I took that for granted. I also got this. Oh my god, this is like such a viral thing on TikTok. People talk about this. Is the TheraBreath Dentist Formulated Fresh Breath Oil Rinse. Buddy has been talking about this, and they say that you also have to use a mouthwash after you brush your teeth. And that's why I got this. So I'm going to start using this from tonight. This is like really exciting. I was looking forward to this since I found out about this. So if you guys don't know already, I'm a huge Priyanka Chopra fan. Like, I love her to bits. She came out with a brand of hair care products. I got this Anomaly hydrating shampoo. This was for $6.99, and I also got smoothing conditioner. Also, people have been talking on TikTok about this. This is the Heritage Blemish Toner Clearing Treatment. So basically, it's a toner with salicylic acid. So I got that. This is like $5.99 or something. So basically, my goal now is to start working out, taking care of my skin. I used to be so religious with my skincare. I look back at my skincare videos and that trash. I don't follow like things that I should do normally, but my skin was still fine. It was like really healthy and glowy, but now it is like not the best. Like, it's not at all the best. Like if I don't moisturize in like 2 hours, things start peeling off, especially since the last 2 weeks. So I'm going to make that whole, like cleanser and wash your face and do the whole like AM PM skincare routine. The last thing that I got is this one. People have been talking so much about this. Even Kosher Beauty has spoken so much about this, so I really want to give it a try. I saw so many other things at Target that I just wanted, but for hair care and skincare, but I was like, I already have like a good, like a thing, so let me not. And yeah guys, that's about it. I moved to Chicago. Really exciting. Great view guys, like the view from here is unreal, like unreal. My whole point with this new house was, my old house also had the same thing. When in Syracuse, I had like windows and I had natural light coming in. So even in winter, I like seeing out the window. I like the light coming in, whatever light is coming in. So here I was really particular, and when I got like a very high up apartment, I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna take it because I've always wanted to live in like this high up apartment. So that is me. I'm gonna start my job in about a week, less than a week at this point. That's why I come here a week before and I started setting up everything because I know it's gonna take a lot of time. I have absolutely no groceries. I have none, so I have to go to Whole Foods tomorrow, which like Whole Foods is literally right here. It's like walkable. So I've never been to Whole Foods. I'm gonna go to Whole Foods. I'll do, but that's gonna be a different video. It's gonna be like part 2 because I don't want to extend this at this point. I'm rambling. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in my next one.